Understanding why and when to drain your Richmond water heater is crucial for maintaining its efficiency and extending its lifespan. Draining and flushing your Richmond water heater is an essential maintenance task that provides multiple benefits for your home's hot water system. Over time, sediment and mineral deposits accumulate in your water heater tank. This buildup creates several serious problems that affect both performance and costs. Several warning signs indicate when your water heater needs draining. Listen for unusual sounds, watch for water discoloration, and notice if your hot water runs out faster than usual. Experts recommend servicing your water heater at least once annually. However, if you have hard water or notice warning signs, you may need to flush every few months for optimal performance. Regular maintenance prevents sediment and scaling, ensuring your Richmond water heater provides reliable hot water throughout its expected lifespan of 8 to 15 years. Safety is the top priority when draining your water heater. First, turn off the power source, either the gas valve for gas heaters or the circuit breaker for electric units. Next, shut off the cold water supply valve to prevent new water from entering the tank during the draining process. Allow the water in the heater to cool completely before proceeding. This prevents scalding injuries from hot water. Wait at least 2 hours for the water to reach a safe temperature. Connect a garden hose to the drain valve located near the bottom of the water heater tank. Make sure the other end of the hose is directed to a safe drainage area, such as a floor drain or outside. Open a hot water faucet somewhere in your home. This allows air to enter the hot water piping system and prevents vacuum suction, which helps the tank drain more efficiently. Open the drain valve on the water heater tank and let it drain completely. For a typical 40-gallon tank, this process takes approximately 30 to 45 minutes. Be patient and let all the water flow out. For better sediment removal, you can perform an optional flush. Briefly open the cold water valve to stir up any remaining sediment at the bottom of the tank, then let it drain out completely. Close the drain valve securely and disconnect the garden hose. Then open the cold water supply valve to begin refilling the tank. Make sure the tank fills completely before proceeding to the next step. Finally, restart your water heater. Turn on the gas and relight the pilot light for gas heaters, or turn on the circuit breaker for electric heaters. Allow the water to heat to your desired temperature before using hot water in your home.